Welcome to a new update in which we are discussing why you definitely should be selling here, as everyone is selling their positions. And when everyone is doing that, you should definitely follow the mass. Welcome to trading, welcome to investing, welcome to my channel. And this is the update today. But before we're going to continue, do not forget to subscribe beneath, like this YouTube update. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'm providing content on a daily basis when it comes to the markets. And what I have on the screen right now is the Fear and Greed Index. A month ago, everyone, including their mother, including their father, including even a cat, including a dog, wanted to buy Bitcoin. Why? Plan B's model would have said, we're going to 150k. Now, everyone is selling because the FOMC meeting is going to happen. We expect it to drop towards 3k. We expected to see a bear market happening at this point, while the outcome of the FOMC meeting is already known, or it's already calculated in the markets at least. And retail thinks we're going to go down some more because they are going to destroy the economy. That is what we are seeing right now. And right now we get to an overall consensus across social media that everyone is selling their positions because of the Fear and Greed Index. You should be selling too. That's not true. There's also a question about, should you de-risk your positions? Well, if you want to start de-risking, so listen to what I say, start de-risking, you are kind of a month too late. But the only reason you want to start de-risking is because you forgot to take profits earlier, and now you see your positions drop in value, and that's why you want to start de-risking, because it is pain that you are feeling. But because of the fact that you're feeling pain, you're having fear, and that's why you actually should be starting to look at higher time frame supports and start buying. Welcome to trading and investing. That's how it works. So when we're looking at the price action of Bitcoin, we are approaching the actual outcome of the FOMC meeting. As I said earlier today, we could be getting some heavier volatility kicking in because of the simple fact that short-term volatility is because of everyone looking at the actual event. So there might always be some sort of like fake out, right? Some sort of fake out taking place, which happens one way, take out all the liquidity from that side, make people believe we can actually go that way with the price action, and then we reverse. So in this case, if we're looking at the higher time frames for Bitcoin at this point, we're still acting at support. We also have some higher time frame resistances that we could be bouncing to, but we're still acting in support as we bounce from it. And while we're looking at the lower time frames, we're just chopping around. We're just making ourselves ready for potentially a dip beneath support, as right now we are acting at one, to take the liquidity beneath the support before we're going to reverse. So you're looking at a structure that is pretty much, hopefully, a falling wedge structure, or at least it's not convinced yet or confirmed yet, but that is something that you should be looking at in combination with a bullish divergence. So this is the area, oh, that is a little bit too low. This is the area that we're looking at to take these longs out, to actually make people believe we're gonna go drop or gonna go lower, and then we immediately reverse back and continue the momentum to the upside. That is a scenario that I'm looking at this point, given the fact that the market has definitely been correcting heavily based on one meeting. Just like in the past, we've had some other massive events which would be a reason for a drop to take place, but I think that the actual drop has been taking place, and I also believe that the moment we are cracking any of these resistances at 50k, we might actually start accelerating towards 56, as we've got this big gap happening here. So as a conclusion of the Bitcoin part, we're currently at support. We're currently facing bounces from that. We are still trending south, but given the fact that we are down 35% since the previous all-time high, I'd rather still want to look for longs rather than shorts. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum, it's dropping south, right? So we have the structure of lower highs and lower lows here as well. Since we are now approaching higher time frame support, I've also been buying this one. I've actually been filled in this bounce already, and we are facing this level of support, which we most likely are going to get a test from when it comes to the Ether USDT pair. But at least given the fact that we've been rejecting a few levels, which we can see on the lower time frames, we have seen a rejection here at $4,400, and we also have a rejection here at 4.160, and now we are seeing a rejection at 3.9, through which we are facing support levels now, and we've got two beneath us. So most likely we get another bounce, and then we're done, creating ourselves this falling wedge structure that we might be eager for a breakout taking place here somewhere in the next few days, as I think that the actual reversal is going to happen somewhere close. So in this case, the Ethereum against USDT chart is actually even better for a potential entry point, and showing a potential bottom might be close. So Bitcoin is a little different in that, given the fact that we're just hopping on support at this stage, and we've got this fast wick happening here. I think that the overall conclusion is that the most likely case that we take out support and reverse after the meeting or in the coming days. I hope you have enjoyed this small update. I'll be back tomorrow, and don't forget to enjoy your day.